Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I'm your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have to simplify the polynomial expression given as 4x plus 3 multiplied by minus of 6x plus 4, and then we have minus of minus 4x minus 9, right? So let's proceed. Now from the rules of algebra we know that at first we have to carry out all the operations which is present within the pair of brackets, and then we have to solve the multiplicative operator, and finally we are going to solve the difference operator. So we have 4x plus 3 multiplied by minus of 6x plus 4, and then we have minus of minus 4x minus 9. Okay, so 4x multiplied by minus of 6x plus 4, and then we have plus 3 multiplied by minus of 6x plus 4. And from minus of 4x minus 9 we can take minus 1 common, so minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 will become plus 1, so it will become plus 4x plus 9. So 4x multiplied by minus of 6x will become minus of 24x squared, then 4 multiplied by 4x is 16x, then 3 multiplied by minus of 6x will become minus of 18x, and 4 multiplied by 3 is 12, and then we have plus 4x plus 9, so it will become minus of 24x squared, 16x minus 18x will become minus of 2x, and then we have plus 12, and after that we have plus 4x plus 9. So ultimately we are going to have minus of 24x squared, 4x minus 2x will become plus 2x, and 12 plus 9 will give us plus 21. So this is our final required answer. Thank you and have a great day.